No coaching, no partner, no fancy environment. Just you at home learning to speak English like never before. This is the story of Priya, a girl who didn't have anyone to talk to. No internet connection for Zoom classes. But today, she trains others in spoken English. You want to improve English at home? Then stay with me because what worked for her can work for you. A small kitchen in a village. Priya helps her mother while listening to English radio on her small phone. Priya lived in a village in Rajasthan. No English classes. No one around her spoke English. Still, she wanted to speak fluently. But how? Priya to herself, if I can't go out, I'll bring English into my world. Here's what she did every single day from home. First, mirror practice. Priya talking to herself in mirror. Hello, my name is Priya. I live in a small town. Today, I will cook rice and read an English story. She practiced what she was already doing just in English. Labels on household items like mirror, fridge, door. She labeled everything in the house. This is a plate. These are onions. This is a spoon. Soon her brain started thinking in English. Third, record and replay. Priya used to record her voice on phone. Today, I cleaned the house, then I cooked dal. I feel happy. She listened to her voice, found mistakes, and then fixed them. She used to watch English vlogs with subtitles. She watched one English video a day, not for entertainment but imitation. She paused, repeat, and practiced. And the daily routine of her, such as morning 15-minute mirror talk, in the afternoon 15 minutes, listen plus repeat while watching YouTube or podcast. In the evening 10 minutes recording her voice note and describe her day. And any time she would think in English, either speaking with pets, plants, even utensils, etc. And the result? Priya giving a workshop in her local community hall. Says, friends, if I can do this with no coaching, no teacher, no partner, just my voice and my habit, so can you. Today, Priya helps others learn English, and she never left her village. You don't need a fluent friend, you need consistent practice with yourself. So here's how you can improve English at home. First, speak out loud. Second, practice with mirror and mobile. Third, listen, repeat, and record. And the last, think in English, live in English. And comment below, I will practice English at home every day. And if you want to practice English with me, go to description box and you can join through that. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more real life stories and practical English tips. Thank you so much. See you with another video.